Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I'm teacher Ricky. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you two skills. First, read, say, and write any numbers up to 7 digits in fraction millions with 2, 4, 5, 8, and 10 as the denominator, and also decimal million involving daily situation. Second, you convert numbers in decimal millions and fraction millions to whole numbers and vice versa. So first skills, you read, say, and write any number in fraction million and decimal million. So this is two group. First, fraction of million. Second, decimal of million. Now let us read this number. How do you read this? Yeah, it's actually 3 over 5 million. Now, how do you read this? Okay, this one read as 1 over 8 million. Now, how do you read this? 0.58 million. And how about the last one? 2.017 million. Right, it's actually simple as that. The next skill I'm going to teach you is convert numbers in decimal million to whole number, right? Decimal million to whole number. All right, so first example, let's see 0.6 million. Now, you know how to read it, right? 0.6 million. But how do you want to convert into whole number? Yeah, so by starting from 0.6 million, next step, I'll be writing 0.6 times 1 million. Yeah, so when you want to convert into whole number times 1 million, you need to write. So the million no more, you replace with times 1 million. So how do you do that? By taking the decimal number, you shift right by 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The decimal point here is actually moved to here already. So there are holes generated from the wave here. So the holes I will be insert with 0. So the 0 insert in the holes, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the final answer is 600,000. 600,000. Okay, so 0.6 million, when we convert to whole number, this is it, 600,000. Okay, remember the step, yeah? Times 1 million. But now, if I want to convert back from 600,000, how do I want to convert back to decimal million? All right, I'll be starting from 600,000. So the next step is actually divide by 1 million this time. Remember just now we times, right? When we want to convert to whole number, we times 1 million. But if you want to convert back to decimal million, you divide by 1 million. Okay, remember this one you bracket it and you write the million outside. So come back to 600,000. So when you divide by 1 million, you shift backwards 6 times. Yeah? Okay, now starting from the end here, you shift 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the point you put here before 6, point here. Right? Point here. Therefore, when you write the final answer, you should be writing 0.6. Of course, you need the word million. Now, without the word million, you are wrong. Huh? 0.6 million and 0.6 is totally different. Yeah. So in decimal million, you must be having the word million. 0.6. So this is how you convert. Yeah. Let's see another table. I have another example. 2.84 million. Now, starting from 2.84, if I want to convert to whole number, I must be times 1 million. times 1 million. Yeah. Okay, by taking 2.84, I shift the decimal number right by 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the whole generated by the wave, I insert 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is already moved to here. Therefore, your answer is 284,000. 2,840,000. All right. So this decimal million we already convert into whole number. And this time we convert back to decimal million. Okay, by starting 2,840,000, I divide by 1 million. Okay, this time I divide. So bracket it, write million. So by starting from 2,840,000, I shift 6 times backward, yeah? So starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the point is actually here, between 2 and 8. Point is here, right? Point is here. Therefore, the answer is 2.84 million. So the 0000 here, you can ignore it. No need to write. Just write 2.84 million. Now remember the word million. Next one, convert numbers in fraction million to whole number. Now this time, fraction to whole number. Yeah. So given a fraction million such as 1 over 2 million, so how do you convert to whole number? All right. So 1 over 2 million. Next step, you write times 1 million. Yeah. So whatever skill is that when you convert to whole number times 1 million. Yeah. So here, I'm taking 10 to divide by 2. This step is so-called simplification. So 10 divided by 2, I get 5. Yes, you are correct, 5. So the rest of the 0, you just cancel and write 0 on top of it. Okay. Then what left inside there? Left 1 times 500,000. Yeah, 1 times 500,000. So the final answer is 500,000. 500,000 equal to 500,000. We already convert into whole number. But what if I want to do the reverse way? From whole number back to fraction million. Okay, I'm starting from 500,000. Okay, then the next step, 500,000 divide by 1 million. Divide by 1 million. So bracket it, right? Million. Okay, then in this case, because I need in fraction, so instead of moving the point, I write over 1 million. Now, there are so many zeros here. We can use simplify method to do it, yeah? So, we want to cancel the 0. But remember, above and bottom, meaning to say that the numerator and denominator, when you cancel the 0, it must be balanced. Above only have 5, so below I'm choosing 5, 0 to cancel with above 5 here. Right? So the numerator, I cancel 5. The denominator, I cancel 5. Must be balanced. So what left there? 5 over 10, right? So 5 over 10. And then I can do another simplification again with times table 5. Finally, I get 1 here. And I get 2 here. So 1 over 2 million. So 1 over 2 million, when I convert to whole number, it is actually 500,000. And I convert back and I get 1 over 2 million. Okay. So the other example, 1 over 4 million. And this time, you need to do some extra step. 1 over 4 million is mixed number. So when you get a mixed number, you convert into improper fraction. where you get 5 over 4. All right. So next step, 5 over 4 multiplied by 1 million or times 1 million. This you must write when you convert into whole number. Now, you can do the simplification method by taking 100 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 is actually 25. Or I can say these two are friends of 100. Yeah. So 25 here, and remaining of the 0 you cancel and you write 4 zeros there. Now what left in at there? 5 times 250,000. Okay. 5 times 250,000, and finally you get the answer 1,250,000. There you go. You already convert 1 over 4 million to whole number as 1,250,000. But what if you want to convert back? By starting from 1,250,000, I divide by 1 million, same thing, 1 million. But this time we do it in fraction form, over 1 million. Now there are 0 to cancel, right? So simplify. Remember, top and bottom must be balanced. So here I only can cancel how many zeros? 4 zeros. You only can cancel 4 zeros. Yeah. So after you cancel 4 0, it leaves 125 over 100. Okay. This 125 over 100 is actually equal to 125 over 100. This is convert into mixed number. And I need to simplify this. With 25, finally, I only get 1 over 4 million. Okay. So this is the step of converting from fraction million to whole number, and also whole number back to fraction of million. Right. There is actually another method. If you're not really sure how to do this cancellation method, there actually another method where you need this table. Yeah, 1 over 2 equal to 0.5. 1 over 4 equal to 0.25, 1 over 5 equal to 0.2, 1 over 8 equal to 0.125, and 1 over 10 equal to 0.1. By taking this picture, you actually save some time in simplify there. For example, 3 over 4 million. How do I get 0.75 million so easily? It's actually by taking 1 over 4 multiplied by 3. Yeah, because 3 over 4 is actually 3 parts of 1 over 4. Okay, so 0.25 when you multiply by 3, it becomes 0.75. So if I'm starting from 0.75 million, everything makes simple already. So 0.75 times 1 million. So when you look at the point, just shift 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember the holes you insert 0. All right. So the final answer is 750,000. No, very fast and very quick. You just have to use the table. But of course, if you remember the table. But what if I want to convert back? 750,000. By taking 750,000, I divide by 1 million. But this time I do in decimal form. It's okay. By taking 750,000, I shift 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the point is here. Then you should be writing 0.75 million. Now, the question here is you need in fraction million. You don't need in decimal, right? Therefore, this one you need to write in fraction, which is 75 over 100. And you simplify by 25. End up 3 over 4 million. Now, this step is a little bit difficult. So therefore, you really need to understand how to do the simplification for times table 25. All right. So next one, I will be giving you another fraction of million, which is 1 over 5 million. By referring to the table, I can get 1.2 million. How to do it? I'm starting from 1 over 5, which is 0.2 by looking at the table. So 1 over 5 is actually 1.2. If you have 3 1 over 5 means 3.2. Okay? So 1.2 million, then you times 1 million. Okay? Then you shift 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you insert the 0 at the holes generated by the wave. Therefore, final answer would be 1,200,000. Okay, no more point. The point is already shift at the back here. No more point there. All right. Next one, if you want to convert back to fraction of million, starting from 1,200,000, divide by 1 million, bracket, prime million. So this time we start from decimal number. So shift 6 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the point is here, 1.2 here. So the point is here, equal to 1.2 million. And of course, we need in fraction. Therefore, 1.2, you should be writing 1, 2 over 10. And simplify this 2 and 10. Simplify this 1, 2, and 10. Simplify with 2. Finally, you get 1 over 5 million. Yeah, there are actually two ways of doing from fraction to whole number. So if you remember the simplification, you do it. If you don't remember, you remember this table, you can use this table also. Right? So today's lesson I have taught you, first you read, say, and write fraction million and also decimal million. And second skill will be converting from decimal million to whole numbers. Okay, when converting from decimal million to whole number, you need to times 1 million. If the other way around, you divide by 1 million. Right? So that's all for my video today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.